I mean, I've had trips on LSD that have made more sense than this. Hey there, how's it going? This is another video from Gateway Classic Cars of Atlanta, and I just stepped into their main showroom here, and look what they have. These two Mercedes here. First you have this one here, and then you have this 300 SL. Simply amazing. Let's check them out. So that was the main showroom portion, and now out here in their warehouse where they keep, 99% of their inventory, we're going to walk around and check this place out. It looks like there's some newer cars since the last time I was here, and I think we're going to start out here with my favorite brand. So it looks like they've gotten a new bus since the last time I've been here. I mean, this is probably my dream machine because I could just travel around in this and make my goofy videos, go to Volkswagen shows and other things like that. Yeah, one of these days I want to have one of these.
Dedicate this song to you, my beautiful people. dedicate this song to you, my beautiful people. Oh, beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. From every corner we'll be blasting, from every corner we'll be blasting, and you know I did it for you. You know that music is a language to free us from every bondage, and you know that I did it for you. Oh, but there are things in life we cannot hide, and there are things in life that can be undone, yet I did it for you. Whoa, here I come, a song for you, oh beautiful people. Oh beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah.
I mean, I've had trips on LSD that have made more sense than this. So a lot of people hate these cars, but I absolutely love these Cadillac Sevilles with this funky trunk on the back. I really do dig these things. And I think, if I remember correctly, like, adjusted for inflation, these things, if it were today's prices, would have been like almost $100,000. That is wild to think of. And these wheels are just sick. So I think we'll go ahead and wrap things up here at Gateway Classic Cars of Atlanta. Some stuff we've seen before, you know, I think like that 64 Vet, we've probably seen that before. But, I mean, who doesn't like looking at a 64 Vet? Come on. But also some newer stuff like one of the Volkswagen buses and those two Mercedes in the main showroom. Two 380s. One was an SL and one was an SLR. Simply amazing. But hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you around next time. Later.